Hey everyone! This is the first video for the 30-day minimalism challenge. In this video, you'll learn about decluttering and some of the benefits decluttering can have on your well-being. It may seem like I'm going fast, but trust me, you'll get the gist of it. Ready to start? Let's dive in. Before you just start tossing stuff out, watch this video all the way through. I quickly cover some really important reasons to declutter, and while you watch, I want you to ask yourself, what do you want to get out of this 30-day minimalist journey? Is it to reduce stress, save money, find more time for what you love? Write it down and keep it visible. Remember, nothing a person ever made was created without being thought of first. Stats show that 80% of people who define their why are more likely to stick with their goals. Now, decluttering is a simple technique. Begin with one area. Your closet is a great starting point. Pick out clothes you haven't worn in a year. Did you know the average person only wears 20% of their wardrobe regularly? So this is an excellent place to declutter. Donate, sell, or give away the rest. For every new item you bring in, let go of one old thing. This keeps your space clutter-free and makes you more mindful about new purchases. Research shows this method can cut household waste by 50%. Minimalism isn't just physical. Clean up your digital space. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails, delete unused apps, and organize your files. A clear digital space equals a clear mind. Let's talk about some of the benefits to your well-being. You'll be surprised. Did you know that a cluttered environment can ramp up stress and anxiety? Decluttering helps create a calming, organized space, reducing stress and boosting your mood. Imagine waking up in a tidy bedroom. It can actually enhance your sleep quality. Plus, fewer distractions mean better focus on your tasks and goals, and making deliberate decisions about what you keep can promote mindfulness and a sense of control. Now let's talk physical health benefits. Decluttering isn't just good for your mind, it's a mild form of exercise too. And by removing excess items, you improve air quality, reducing allergens for better respiratory health. A clutter-free environment also minimizes tripping hazards, keeping you safer in your own home. But that's not all. An organized kitchen can make healthy eating a breeze, helping you avoid takeout and junk food. And a clean space is less likely to harbor germs, boosting your immune system. Feeling inspired yet? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more practical and life-improving tips. On the next video, I'll cover a 10-minute morning routine to boost your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy decluttering. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to see more videos. See you next time.